Assalamu alaikum. Today I will talk about HDR scape. So what is HDR? HDR is basically stands for high dynamic range. So what it is? Basically whenever we shoot in a camera or in mobile, if there is a feature in our mobile HDR, in some mobile there is a feature of HDR mode. So when we capture using the HDR mode on, then what camera do? Camera take 3 pictures at a time. It will not show us 3 pictures, but it will make 3 pictures and give it the average of all the pictures. So let's suppose this is the scene and I want to capture it in HDR. So let's suppose this sky is very bright like this. So when we will use HDR mode and capture image, then camera will took 3 image. First image like this, second image it will take like this, and third image it will took like this, and the average of these 3 images it will show us like this. So everything after merging 3 images into one image, everything will be very exposed. It will not overexpose, but it will be very good exposed. The exposure will be very good. So you can see here. We can also add a dramatic look in our picture by using HDR mode. So HDR mode is helpful for us if we want to capture in a sunlight and the sky is overexposed. Then we should on the HDR mode so we can get good exposure of the sky. So you can see here, this is how amazing this feature is. So this is all about my today's video.